Hi, I'm Angelica Mari. I'm here in Brazil as a government guest. This is a trip intended to showcase the Brazilian IT services industry. And in fact, I'm here in the São Paulo domestic airport en route to Rio de Janeiro, where this event will continue. So part of this event was the Gartner Latin America Sourcing Summit in São Paulo, which lasted until today, Wednesday. And we heard some really interesting insights from Brascom there, which is the IT trade body, also from analysts, and more importantly from buyers over the last couple of days. So in this difficult economic times, Brazil is really the world's darling, and that's where the interest is in, and certainly CIOs are looking at that and looking at how they can leverage the resource that is available here. So what's Brascom doing? So Brascom is essentially the voice of the IT industry, and they're pushing for some reforms that are intended to create a better business environment for the companies looking to do business here. So their aim is really to position this country as one of the top 3 hubs for IT services. So number one, they're looking at implementing measures around regulations to make the legal framework and labor laws more favorable for IT services. So the second area of focus is looking at the IT infrastructure requirements in order to deliver the World Cup and the Olympic Games that are taking place here in Brazil in 2014 and 2016 respectively. So there's a lot of work around those 2 areas. Also, they're looking at improving the skills for the future demand. So obviously there is no shortage of technical IT skills in this country, because there's about 1.7 million people already working in the industry here, and every year the universities release about 100,000 new graduates into the industry. So there's no shortage of IT expertise, but English proficiency is obviously a big problem, a big stumbling block. So the government is looking at ways to address that. And finally, they're looking at promoting the competence of Brazil as a top IT services destination. So that's all around the work that Brascom and Brazil IT are doing in order to promote these capabilities abroad. So it's a tall order, and there are lots of challenges involved. And now I'm talking to lots of users and analysts and industry influencers, and you will see a lot of that in my blog, which is Management Matters at computerweekly.com, and also in computerweekly.com you'll be able to see a full analysis on the current state of affairs of the Brazilian IT services industry. So stay tuned. See you next time.